Hello students, in today's class we are going to start with the fourth unit of commercial arithmetic. Fourth unit, that is commercial arithmetic. Students, third unit I will be explaining after fourth unit students. This is a mathematical part students. So compared to statistical part, this mathematics is little bit complicated because each problem will be different from one another. So do concentrate students, each class is very important. Okay. So commercial arithmetic. Percentage is, first one percentage, it is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100, okay. The word percentage refers to out of 100, it is the 100th part, it is the 100th part. The symbol used to refer percentage is percentage, okay. You know, this is a symbol of percentage, okay. So let me explain this percentage problem with some simple examples students. First one, find 23% of 64.40 and 0.78% of 268 and 0.67% of 455. Okay, here there are three problems, 1, 2, 3. Okay, first one, 64.40 into 23 divided by 100, it is 14.812. Just you have to multiply. Okay, percentage means 23 divided by 100 here. Okay. Okay. Next 268 of 0.78%. Of means it is into. So you have to multiply here. Multiply 0.78 into 100, that is 2.09404. Okay, next it is 0.67 into 455 divided by 100, that is 3.0485. So I hope students, this it is a simple problem. You got the answer of all the three. Okay. Now let us go for the next. What is there? Okay, simple problem I will be starting. Okay, so here one simple problem I am going to explain students. What is a percentage of commission? Okay, what is a percentage of commission? Students, here there is a mistake in commission. It should be I, okay? I, okay? Commission. What is a percentage of commission of an agent who gets rupees 200 for sale of rupees 5,000? What is the percentage of commission of agent who gets rupees 200, not 20, 200 for the sale of rupees 5,000? So you should write here, on a sale of 5,000, here they have been asked what is the percentage, right? They have been asked percentage. Okay, on a sale of 5,000, commission is 200, it is given. On a sale of 5,000, commission, here it's a spelling mistake students, it should be commission I, okay, there is no A, okay. So on a sale of 5,000, commission is rupees 200. So how much for 100 students? How much for 100? It is a cross multiplication, that is 200 into 100 divided by 5,000. What is answer? What is answer? 5 ones are 5 fours are. So the percentage of commission is 4% students. I hope students you all understand. Don't be confused students. Once again I will be explaining for your understanding purpose. Listen carefully. What is a percentage of commission? What is a percentage of commission? What is a percentage of commission of an agent who gets rupees 200 for the sale of 5,000? They have been asked what is the percentage of commission students. Okay, whenever the word percentage comes, you should divide it by, there is an 100. Okay, so what is the percentage of commission of an agent who gets rupees 200 for the sale of rupees 5,000? So you should write, on a sale of 5,000 he will be getting a commission of 200. So on the sale of 100, how much will be his commission? So 200 into 100 divided by 5,000. Okay, 5,000, 5 ones are 5 fours are, so 4%. You got commission as 4%, students. I hope students you all understood. Now let us proceed for the next problem, that is find x. Here they have been told find x when 5% of x is 80. Okay, when find x, 5% of x is 80. So 5% of x, solution students I am writing. So 5% of x, that is 5 let me write very small, it will be, otherwise it will be very difficult for you. So 5 divided by 100, x is equal to 80. Okay, so 5 divided by 100 into x, you don't know, x is equal to 80. Okay, so what you can do, students, what you can do, simple calculation, that is 5 divided by 100 is 0.05, x is equal to 80. Now x is equal to 80 divided by 0.05. How much, students, it is? 1600 is an answer. So you got x as 1600. So once again, students, so once again I am explaining. So listen carefully. They have been asked 5% of x, that is 5 divided by 100, x is equal to 80. For your understanding purpose, I am explaining once again, students. So listen carefully. Slowly I am working because it is not a formula. Okay, so it's each problem is very, very important, students, and each problem is different from other. So you have to work out and concentrate, otherwise it will be very difficult to understand. So I am explaining again and again. So listen carefully. 5 divided by 100 into x is equal to 80. So 5 divided by 100 is 0.05x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 80 divided by 0.05. Okay, that is, you got 1600. So x is equal to 1600, students. Okay, other problem I will be explaining in next class, students. And students, I told that this week I will be coming for online students. If next week, since Soumya ma'am is absent today, so if possible, in next week I will be conducting one online class, students. So let us have a direct interaction, students. If at all you are having any doubt regarding the first chapter and second chapter, please tell me, so that I will be able to clarify your doubts, students. So however, the first internal test has been announced, students. Whatever I will be doing till for the 13th December, everything is there for your test. It is first chapter, second chapter plus the third chapter, wherever I am going to, until I finish, it's there for your first internal. So start reading, students. Okay.